Looking to level up your outdoor space? Check out the Otdair 96 LED solar lights. These solar torch lights are a game changer for your garden, yard or pathway. With a realistic flickering flame effect, they create a cozy, magical vibe after sunset. Plus, they're super easy to set up. No wires, no hassle. Each light is 43 inches tall and powered by a 2200 mAh battery, giving you hours of glow on a single charge. And yes, they're waterproof. Rain or shine, they'll keep shining. Perfect for parties, weddings or just chilling in your backyard. And guess what? You get 6 lights in one pack. Total steal. Ready to transform your outdoor space? Grab yours now and let the magic begin. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome gadgets reviews. See you in the next video.